Good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Thursday, August 24th. And what are we going to do? I am going to completely avoid any kind of talk about political stuff going on because I'm just so disgusted with the current state of our politicians. It's just pathetic. That being said, let's go ahead and look at the news. What do we have? Unemployment claims came out 230,000, so it's less than expected. And that's a good thing. Anything in the 200,000 to 300,000 range is a good number for the economy. Core durable goods. Don't get me started on core. Core is BS. That means they subtract out all the stuff that actually really matters because it's volatile, like food and energy. So don't even bother with core. If it says core, ignore the number. Look at the main number. Durable goods order month over month. We're down. This is bad. See, look at core. When they take out all the volatile stuff, then, oh, it's okay. Yeah. Well, let's look at the real picture. The real picture is minus 5.2%. This is not good for the economy. What else do we have today? We have natural gas storage, and we have some talking heads. FOMC member Harker speaking at 12 noon. And then we have the Jackson Hole Symposium, which has always got stuff around it, right? And on Friday, we're going to actually hear from Fed Chair Powell at 10 o'clock in the morning. So Friday will be volatile. Today, not so much. So it is what it is. Jumping on to the daily chart here, you can see I've guesstimated what the pattern is, and it does look like we are coming up into this general area. Now, if we went sideways here and then rotated down, it would definitely be a head and shoulders type pattern. I don't know if it's going to do that or not, but would not surprise me to see this sell off. Mainly because the big spike up at the end of the day yesterday was due to NVIDIA. NVIDIA's earnings and projected earnings. And actually, that's another thing I want to talk about because we saw this dramatic divergence on the day before yesterday, on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday. So we had the smart money getting in right here. What did they know that nobody else knew? Everybody else was selling. They were buying into the selling. So they're either one, we talked about this yesterday, they're either one, covering their shorts, or B, they're buyers, they're true buyers. And they were obviously, it was big, the prints were big prints. And, so it makes me think that they knew the NVIDIA's numbers were going to be good, and they knew that that was going to be a big, big piece of it. And then the rumors came out, and it continued to fuel this buying yesterday. And then, boom, there it is. There's the NVIDIA news. And it wouldn't surprise me that now once we have the news out, remember the old buy the rumor, sell the news. And we could easily have a sell the news scenario. Especially since the inventory, at least overnight, is actually negative, which we have, sometimes that's the case, but not all the time. If usually you have some indication pre-market, but we'll have to wait and see. But that's my 2 cents worth there. Taking a look at the intraday, what are we looking at? Here's the high. Where's resistance? So there's a little cluster right around here, around 44.76. I would say there's more resistance around 44.86. Back up around 4,500. 4,500 to 4,505 is a little area. 4,500 being the whole number. Some confluence around the 4,503. What do we have for support? Support 44.51. It's also close to the round number 44.50. You remember the 44.50s and the even numbers like 4,500, 4,400 are sort of the main, whole numbers that people are looking at. Also, further down, 44.30 and 44.16. So that's the story there. 52.4% is the Stock Traders Almanac percentage for historical bias for the day. 52.4 from the Stock Traders Almanac. It is what it is. Remember, subscribe, comment, and like. That's all I've got for you today. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.